Alright guys, let's fill you in. This is day one of the 2022 Python Challenge. I am down here in South Florida. I'm signed up as a novice. I'm not a professional, nor do I have access to go where the professionals do. As you can see, it's pouring down. But just got down here a little bit ago, messing around with some, fishing a little bit, and just trying to see what we got. I usually go down this road every time I come down here. One, it's really secluded, and two, it kind of goes right through where we're allowed to pull the snakes. So, that's what we're doing. So, we'll have some more stuff coming up, but once we get a little bit further, we might be able to get out and look around a little bit. It's like some parts it's raining and some parts it's not. Some parts it's wet, some parts it's dry. We're just day one. So, maybe we'll see some other hunters out here. I think I seen some on the way in at the that was a bumpy one, at the Gator Hook Trail. I thought there was a couple of people out there. That was probably a good hike to go out there and look for them. So, we'll see what we can find. Check back up in a little bit. We're back on the Sweetwater Strand. So basically a nice little opening in here. Got nice little water, all kind of stuff. You got old Jimbo hanging out here. What do you want, Jimbo? Oh, your brother over there? Is that what's the problem? Let's see what we got over here. A little one. Don't see any pythons. A lot of fish though.